Hi everyone! So I have something really exciting today. I ordered something on sale and it's going to be for a really special friend of mine, and it came in an envelope and my address is really huge on the front and all the details and stuff, so I'm gonna be showing you the back if that's okay. Ta-da! Here we go. I'm really not happy that this is all they did. They just sealed it with staples. I expected a, what do you call it? A box maybe, but we'll see. Hopefully it'll be okay and I don't have to return the product. I feel bubble wrap. Oh no. Let me check this first. Oh, it's just the bill. Don't worry, everyone. Okay, can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is? Ah! Whose hair is this? Good Lord. Whose hair is this? That's not mine. Do you guys see that? What? What? Okay, I'm just gonna keep opening. BRB, someone texted me. Okay, I'm back. That was nothing important. Okay, let's keep opening. Can you tell what it is already? Ah! I'm so excited. I know it's not for me, but still, opening any package is exciting. Wow! Oh my gosh! You guys, look! Look at that! Wow. Number 3, Raphael. This is the, I don't want to open this because it's for a friend and I want to leave it in the condition that it is because it's new. Yeah. Looking really nice. It's the, does it say on here? No, it doesn't. So basically it's, where is my brush? Here we go. So this is my Raphael Pure Squirrel Mop number 2. And my friend saw this. Well, I don't know if my friend saw this and wanted one, but this is mine. And my friend wanted one that's like a number 2 or a number 3. And this set happened to have been on sale. So I snagged it for them. Yay! I hope you see this and you get it and be so happy like I am right now. And also this second brush here is a, I believe it's a Kolinsky sable brush in the size number 2. It's also Raphael, it's their set. So I'm not sure, they said they don't really like small brushes, but I don't know, they could give them away. I don't really mind. I was just happy that they had the number 3 on sale, because I was thinking that number 2 might be better, but I don't know if they'll even have the number 2 on sale later on, so I decided to just get this one while they were having the sale anyway. I'm really happy, guys. This was like the universe telling me that to get it, even though I'm on a no-buy. But this is for a friend, it's not for me. Alright, that's it, guys. Sorry, nothing much today, but I just wanted to share my excitement. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Bye, everyone.